Jacob Inyamudo, a teacher at Comprehensive Secondary School, Edenebak, here in Ephraim State, Nigeria. This lesson is meant for IDP camp, children in IDP camp, internally displaced persons who have no access to education, scattered all over Nigeria and in Africa. So it is meant to train millions of students all over Africa who have no access to education, but they are in IDP camp. We talked about matter in the lesson a lesson ago, and we know that matter is anything that has weight or mass and can occupy space. And we discussed three states of matter: the solid state, the liquid state, and the gaseous state. I also said in that lesson that matter, or each of the state, we can move from one state to another state by application of heat or withdrawal of heat. And I also said again in that last lesson that matter is actually made of tiny particles called atoms that come together to build themselves into matter. And everything eventually is matter in the universe. The sun, the moon, everything is part of matter. So now today I want to look at physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. Now I know that matter undergo these two kinds of changes, the physical and the chemical changes. A physical change is a change that occurs where there is no remarkable, but no change, transformation into another thing. A physical change, no new product is obtained. But a chemical change is a change, that produces a new product entirely. That's a chemical change. An example of a physical change is like bringing salt into water. It dissolves. If you heat the water, you get your salt back. That's a physical change. No new substance is formed. Another physical change is like bringing sand and mix with iron filling. If you bring a magnet to iron filling, will attract to the magnet and it's so separated from the sand. That's a physical change. A physical change, it could be like mixing sand, with water. You can pour the water out and get your sand, dry the sand, and get the sand back. It's a physical change. No new substance is produced. But the chemical change is not the same. We talk about chemical change, it means another fresh new substance altogether will be formed. For instance, if I pick a paper and burn the paper in fire, what happens is I'm going to get dark charcoal, something like charcoal. I cannot recover the paper from that dark thing or the ash I have. It's not possible. Or like just burning a wood, piece of wood. You burn the wood, you burn it into ash. You cannot change the ash into your wood again. That's a permanent change, a chemical change. Like reacting maybe calcium with maybe water, you obtain a chemical change. It's a chemical change, a permanent change. So a physical change is matter undergo physical change. Matter can also undergo chemical change. This is what matters can undergo, the physical and the chemical changes. I have said here that a physical change produces new substances. No new substance produces a physical change. But a chemical change will always produce new substance. So these are the two changes matter undergo, physical and the chemical change. And these two changes are very important in chemistry of the substance, physical and the chemical changes. I want us to know in summary that the matter we discuss can undergo physical change, can undergo chemical change. That is very possible. So we can differentiate between our physical change and our chemical change. I have given some examples, and that is applicable to matter. Matter undergo physical and chemical changes. That is very true. Thank you so very much this day. Thank you.